Welcome to my channel Kitchen Explorer. In today's video, we will see a new recipe of delicious chocolate pastry for all chocolate lovers. So do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press on the bell icon button to get the notification of my new recipe. So let's get started. Here I have taken some cooking salt. This is approximately 3/4 cup. Place a stand, close the lid, and we need to preheat it for 10 minutes in the low flame. Let's prepare a cake mold. This is 8-inch cake mold. Let's grease it with oil. To a bowl, add half cup of milk, vinegar 1.5 teaspoon. Mix it, let the milk get curdled. Let's keep it aside. See here, the milk has curdled. To it, add 1/4 cup of oil, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Whisk it, let it mix well. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. Add 1.5 cup of maida, powdered sugar 3/4 cup, baking powder 3/4 teaspoon and baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. Now put cocoa powder 1/3 cup. We need to sieve it. See here, I've finished sieving. Now let's add wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. With the help of whisker, let's mix everything. Now add milk half cup. Whisk it, we need to remove all the lumps. See the consistency of the batter. With the help of spatula, let's fold the batter. Now let's transfer this batter to a greased cake tin. Tap it gently. Now our batter is ready to bake. Open the lid, place the cake tin. Now close the lid and bake it at low flame for 40 to 45 minutes. See, after 45 minutes, let's open. Insert a toothpick or skewer so it has come out clearly. That means our cake has baked. Let's take it out. Cover it with the cloth and let it cool down. To prepare a chocolate ganache, in a bowl take water and place another bowl on it. It should not touch the water. This is a double boiling method. Now to it add half cup of dark compound chocolate. Now add milk 1/3 cup. Whisk it. Let the chocolate melt. You can use, instead of milk, Amul's fresh cream also. See, our chocolate ganache is ready. Let's keep it aside. See, our cake has cooled down. See the softness. Now let's unmold it. See, our cake has come out well. Place a cake board. Place a cake on it. Let's divide our cake into 2 layers. See how well it has come out. Now let's put sugar syrup on it. This is the sugar syrup made from 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. See how well our sugar is absorbing. Now put the layer of chocolate ganache. Put how much ever you want. After putting the layer of chocolate ganache, keep it in the refrigerator. And now let's put the whipping cream. Cover the cake with whipping cream. After putting the layer of whipping cream, let's keep our cake in refrigerator for a few minutes. Now let's place another layer of the cake. Remove the top portion. If you won't remove it, then sugar syrup won't absorb. You need not discard it, you can just have it like that, or you can make cake pops or anything. See the texture of the cake. Now let's put the sugar syrup and repeat all the same steps. Put the layer of chocolate ganache. After putting the layer of chocolate ganache, again we should refrigerate our cake for few minutes to sit. Now put the layer of whipping cream. In this stage we need to cover whole of the cake with the whipping cream. Let us keep it in refrigerator for some minutes to set. I've put some cream in the piping bag and I'm just piping it the way I'm showing it in the video. This is a very simple design. You can do any designs of your choice. See, here I've finished making designs. Now on top, let's decorate it with some grated chocolate. This is grated dark compound chocolate. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it was. And if you want to send me the photographs of the cake, then you can send me in the Gmail. I'll be giving you the Gmail ID in the description box. I'll be posting those pics in the Instagram. See how soft and delicious our cake looks. The design is also simple. It looks very simple and tempting. Here it's done with the recipe of chocolate pastry. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.